What's up everybody, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the currently live price of Stellar. What's the price changes occur. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. So guys, let's get started the video. The currently live price of the Stellar XLM in the market is 0.406239 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of Stellar in the market. Other side, if you talk about the price changes occur in the Stellar, so you can see here every change is positive. Every change last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. So guys, that's really happy news for us. That's really a good news for us that the cryptocurrencies market is about to make a huge move. It's increasing every day, every hour. Let me show you guys. Guys, everything is going good in the market, so why are you selling? No, don't do this mistake at this time and don't decide to sell. Just hold for a long time. You can see in my friends every day the Stellar XLM taken a quick jump, taken a huge pump. So guys, personally I think that it's a profit time for all of you. Invest now, and if you're a holder, so please hold to the last step, I guess. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.